I feel great.
It looks so natural. Yeah.
They feel good.
Yeah.
They feel good.
Oh, you've been waiting your whole life for this. Your whole life.
I've never had white teeth like this in my life because I'm a boxer, so I know I'm gonna get hit in the face, and I don't want something that's just hard and just gonna crunch my face. And something that's natural, like real natural teeth, that gives a little soft give, and they feel more natural, right? This is everything. I did it on ChatGPT. Trust me, I had two, right? I had zircon and I had the ceramic polymer, right? And I had two lists going all the way down, the pros and cons, pros and cons, pros and cons. And at the end, it's like, well, it's no brainer that I have to do the manufactured silicon versus the zircon, right? And I started looking, okay, where do I find them? Oh man, Florida, Arizona, one down south in SoCal, and you. I'm like, why aren't there more dentists that do this? Well, because you have to have the special manufacturing process. You have to have someone who's a mechanical engineer and the equipment and all that stuff. So a lot of people aren't benefiting from this because it's just not as accessible. Y'all gotta change that. Y'all need more spaces and more places, more machines and more engineers. Because that zircon stuff is for the birds. This feels natural. This is what people need.
No, you need to speak up on this.
Believe me, I've been preaching to my wife about it. She's like, babe, you can do it for half the price right here in Walnut Creek. I'm like, nah. Nah, I know what I need. I need ceramic polymer and I need it manufactured in a lab. I don't want something that's mass produced like McDonald's. I need something that's made for me. I said, do the research, babe. I'm like, this is my house. Do the research. Somewhere I'm gonna find something that's gonna be natural. It's gonna have a soft, comfortable fit for the rest of my life. Would you marry me again?
All over it.
Can we go back and take those wedding photos?